What's up YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad. I hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So can we talk about this hair though? Can we talk about this hair though? Y'all, let me show y'all, okay? Let me show y'all what I'm twerking with, okay? Because baby girl, okay, you guys, this is some synthetic hair that is so bomb and so affordable. Ladies, I'm about to show you guys how you can slay on a budget, because this hair though, okay, so let's talk details, okay? So you guys, this hair is by Organique and it's called their Organique Mastermix hair. I did get the full weave pack that comes with 3 bundles and a closure. The closure comes with 5 inches of parting space, and baby girl, you see all of that parting space? 5 inches, boo-boo. 5 inches of parting space. So it comes with 4 pieces, the closure and the 3 bundles. The entire pack of hair was $34.99, okay? $34.99, super cheap, and that is Canadian dollars, by the way. So for all of my American honeys, this hair is gonna be like 20-something dollars for you guys, and you guys have a full hairstyle, okay? Girlfriend. So I did make this hair into a wig. I am a beginner when it comes to making wigs, but your girl is trying a little thing. She's trying her thing, okay? I'm trying to do my little thing, making wigs. So I did make this into a wig. So when I was at my beauty supply store, I picked up a mesh dome cap, needle, thread, all of that good stuff, and I made it into a wig. And you guys, I'm loving this hair. Yeah, as I become better at making wigs, I'll definitely make a video showing you guys how I make my wigs, because I'm into the wig making business right now. I am just doing bare wigs now because I find that wigs just give you so much versatility. Like, you can switch it up. Like, I could be straight in the morning and curly in the night, you know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of trying to get into the wig thing, so I'm really excited, and I think I did really well making this wig. It wasn't my first time making a wig, but it was like my first time making a proper wig. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. So I'll definitely come back and make a video showing you guys how I made it. But you guys, I am loving this hair. It has such a nice yucky feel to it. Like, it just feels like some permed hair. It is so lovely. I haven't even put a straightener to it, and I just love the way that it looks. I did get mine in the length 14, 16, and 18 inch. And it does fall to a really nice length. You guys, I'm not into super long hair anymore. This just comes down to like my breast. So yeah, it's very pretty. I love it. And I did put some combs in the wig as well. So I did attach 3 combs, 2 at the sides and 1 in the back. And I used the glueless method to put the wig on. So no glue, no got to be gel, no got to be freezing spray. I literally just stuck the combs in, and that was it. And my hair is braided underneath, so I'm loving it. And I kind of did my edges. You guys, I don't really know how to do edges. So if somebody could teach me how to do edges, please do, because I don't know how. So I feel like my edges don't look the best, but you know, I think it looks okay. I think the hair looks fine. So yes, you guys, this is the hair, and I'm gonna turn around for you guys to see. It has movement, and you guys, it brushes so nicely. Like, it brushes really nicely. Like, it is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Now, like I did say, it is synthetic hair, but it does say it can take up to 400 degrees of heat. So I am gonna try my straightener on this hair. I haven't put any heat or anything in this hair at all, so I am gonna try to straighten it out and see if I can put some curls in it. I'm gonna try to put curls in it with my curling wand, so be sure to stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss when I post that video. But I did just get a new curling wand, and so I really do want to try to see if it can hold a curl, because if it can, then this is the hair that you need for the summer, boo-boo, because you're gonna be slaying. And this is synthetic hair. It did not break the bank. Like, nobody can tell me this doesn't look like human hair, even virgin hair. Like, nobody can tell me that it's not. So if anybody asks, it's human hair, okay? Because it's on my head and I'm a human, okay? Don't tell her. Don't tell nobody our secret. But yeah, you guys, I'm feeling this hair so much. I love it. It is so soft, and I just think it looks so pretty and so natural, and I love it so much. So I'm definitely going to be coming back and giving you guys a review after about maybe like 2 weeks or so to see how the hair is holding up and to see if it holds up well. I do know that Organique Mastermix also has curly textures as well, so I definitely want to get my hands on that and see if I can make a wig using the curly textures, because I am honestly a curly girl. I love wearing curly hair. I don't usually wear straight hair like this, so this is a little bit like I'm being extra. Like when I pull out straight hair, I'm being extra because I usually just wear curly hair. But I am loving this hair so much, you guys. It is so pretty. It is so it's so beautiful, and it did not break the bank, you guys. I spent $34 on this hair. $34, okay? So you guys can still look cute and not spend a lot of money, okay? You can look cute on a budget, okay? Bougie on a budget. And yeah, you guys, I'm here to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair. Are you guys feeling it? Are you guys liking it? Let me know, because I'm feeling myself just a little bit too much, okay? So I'll leave all the specs and everything down below for this hair, and I'll also try to include some links to where you can buy this hair online. I did get this from my local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure most beauty supply stores will have it, but I will try to find some links so I can link it for you guys if you guys want to purchase it online. But yeah, I am loving this hair, you guys. It is beautiful, and I'm so excited. I am really enjoying wearing it. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this hair. Let your girl know what you think, so make sure you guys comment down below. And if you guys want to see like any particular like styles or anything with this hair, like if you want to see how well it can curl and all this, like just leave all those comments or suggestions down below so I can do a video show you guys how it works. Because baby girl, if I can get some curls in this that stay, baby, I'm gonna have to order this hair again. I am gonna be ordering this hair again for sure. If this ever decides that if I can't get this to look good anymore, I'm definitely just gonna buy more hair, because it was just $34. So yeah, make sure you guys comment down below and let me know. And if you guys aren't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. I'm gonna wait because I told you at the beginning to subscribe, and now we're near the end of the video and haven't subscribed to, baby girl. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.